guys, and welcome back to a new vlog. Today is January 11th. It is Monday today, and as I mentioned during Vlogmas, I had something really exciting that I wanted to share with you guys, which you can probably tell from the title already. But that is that I bought my first home. So yeah, that is super exciting. I bought my first apartment, and today is actually the day that I get to pick up my keys. And then next Monday I'm going to go over, and then next Monday I am going to sign. Oh my god, Joey! Alright, so as I was saying, then next Monday I am going to sign the deed, and then it will be officially mine. My boyfriend is also going to move in with me, so that is really exciting. The apartment is a fixer-upper, but at the same time it's not. And what I mean by that is, if I wanted to, I could just, you know, clean everything, move in my furniture, move in my stuff, and we would be good to go. Everything is working, everything is clean and stuff like that. But the apartment is from the 90s and everything is just very outdated. So within my budget, which is not huge since I just bought an apartment, I am going to make a few changes, and of course I want to vlog that and show you guys the process. So for example, I want to change the flooring in the rooms. Eventually I also want to change the kitchen, but I will have to save up for that. We will have to paint everything and stuff like that, so it will be really exciting to show you guys the progress. I absolutely love home decor, as you guys know, so I am really excited and super happy that I get to go on this journey and that I can take you guys with me. But yeah, it is now almost 10 o'clock in the morning, if you guys can see. And I am about to head on over to the agency and pick up my keys, which I am so excited about. And then I'm going to film an empty apartment tour, which will be a separate video. So if you want to see that, then definitely check out my next video. But when I get back, I also want to show you guys a few like home decor pieces that I already picked up. And yeah, but now I'm going to change out of my sweatpants and head on over to pick up my keys, which is so exciting. I cannot wait. Alright guys, so I just got back from picking up my keys. I finally have the keys to my apartment and I am so excited. We already dropped off a few things because I want to try to just bring a few things each time I go, so that I don't have to rush and get everything there at the last minute. But I'm going to show you guys a couple of the pieces that I picked up. Alright, so as you can see, I did do some damage already. So the first thing that I have for the apartment is a Smeg toaster. This one is in the beige color, even though this is like the blue one. I did pick up the beige one, and today I'm going to go ahead and pick up the like a water boiler. Is that the right term? So then I have the toaster and the water boiler. Then from H&M Home I picked up these face cloths. These are sets of 2 face cloths, and I thought they looked really beautiful. They were on sale during Black Friday. Then also from H&M Home I picked up this trinket, which I thought would be really cool for either jewelry or to put on, for example, this dresser, which I will probably put in my hallway, so that we can put our keys on it, or I don't know, anything like that. And then also from H&M I picked up this blanket, which is in kind of the same color as the face cloths. And then also I picked up this, I guess it's a vase, I don't know how to explain it, but it is in Rotan, and that is definitely the vibe that I am going for, so I picked up this one as well. Not sure what I'm going to put in it yet, but I thought it looked really pretty. And then lastly, what I wanted to show you guys is that I picked up these Marshall speakers. I love the retro vibe of these. It is white with rose gold, and it will go with the aesthetic very nicely. I have a Marshall speaker in my store and it works perfectly fine. I really like the quality, so I decided to splurge and pick up this one for the apartment. And that is everything that I picked up that I wanted to share with you guys. I'm really happy that I am finally able to tell you guys the news. So a lot of my upcoming vlogs will definitely be home decor related, moving related, and stuff like that. So yeah, I am really happy to be starting this process. It will be so much fun. So yeah, but those of you that have followed me for a while now know that I have lived at home my entire year. I am 26 years old and I have lived at home for all of those years, except 1 year that I lived in Toronto. But aside from that, I have lived at home for 26 years and I don't do well with change. So it will be an adjustment, that is for sure, but it is time. You know what I mean? I am 26 years old. I should start being more independent. My stomach is rumbling, so I'm going to make myself some lunch now. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip, I guess.